Come and share with me the amazing impact I achieve in my relationship by hugging my partner for a full 20 seconds. Can it really make a difference? This was what I asked myself when I heard about this new hack of hugging. Physical touch is a powerful way to connect with our loved ones. And one of the simplest yet most effective ways is to do so is through hugging. It's an act that can spark a flood of emotions from comfort and reassurance to excitement and joy. But can something as simple as 20 seconds hug really transform our relationship? Why doubt it? Some people say 20 seconds is a long time, yet they can watch movies with friends for hours. Welcome to Mirages TV. If this is your first time, please remember to join this kind community. When you hug, the love hormone is released. When I started practicing it the first time, I experienced at the first 8 to 10 seconds, I was kind of fighting it, but ended up relaxing into it. At times, it started like a good arrow, but before we know it, we ended in bed with good memories. You know what I mean? Communication breakdowns, emotional distance, and feelings of disconnections are all too common in many relationships. It's easy to get caught up in our busy lives and forget to nurture our emotional bonds with our partners. We stop making time for each other, and before we know it, we are feeling like strangers living in the same space. We've all been there. We've all had those moments where we felt like we are just going through the motions without any real connections or intimacy. But what if I told you that there was a way to bridge that gap, to reignite that spark that brought us together in the first place? It's not some grand, sweeping gesture, but rather a simple, everyday act that can be incorporated into our daily routine. And that's exactly what we are going to explore today. The power of hugging to transform our relationship. When we are not making an effort to connect with our partners, we can start to feel unimportant, unloved, and unheard. We began to wonder if our partner is still invested in us, if they still care about our feelings and needs. And that's when the doubt started to creep in and the distance began to grow and grow wider. Research has shown that hugging can have a profound impact on our relationship. And it all comes down to oxytocin, the love hormone. When we hug, our brain releases oxytocin, which promotes feelings of trust, relaxation, and bonding. It's the same hormone that's released during childbirth, breastfeeding, and even orgasm. It's the hormones that makes you feel connected and loved. Hugging has also been shown to reduce stress levels, lower blood pressure, and even boost our immune system. And when we hug regularly, we start to build a sense of safety and security with our partners, which is essential for building trust and intimacy. According to relationship expert Dr. Sue Johnson, hugging is a powerful way to show affection and can actually change the way we perceive our partner. In fact, studies have shown that couples who hug regularly have lower rates of conflict, better communication, and a more fulfilling sex life. Hugging can even help to reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression, making it a powerful tool for improving our overall mental health. But I didn't just want to take the expert word for it. I wanted to hear from real couples who have experienced the transformative power of hugging firsthand. I spoke to Sarah and Mike, who were on the brink of separation before they started making a conscious effort to hug every day. They told me that it helped them to reconnect, to feel more present in their relationship, and to build a deeper sense of trust and intimacy. I also spoke to Emily and James, who have been incorporating huggings into their daily routine for a few months. They said that it helped them to communicate more effectively, to resolve conflict more quickly, and to build a stronger, more resilient bond. Finally, I spoke to Rachel and Chris, who were struggling to connect after having their first child. They told me that hugging has helped them to recapture the romance, to prioritize each other's needs, and to build a more loving and nurturing environment for their family. Wow, this is amazing. So, can a 20-second hug really transform your relationship? The answer is the resounding yes, yes, and yes. By incorporating hugging into our daily routine, we can build stronger, more resilient bonds with our partners. We can foster a deeper sense of trust, intimacy, and connection, and we can create a more loving and nurturing environment for our relationships to thrive. Thanks for watching, and I would love to hear about your own experiences with hugging in the comments below. Have you noticed a difference in your relationship since making an effort to hug more regularly? Share your story, and don't forget to check out my other videos on relationship tips. I will put the links below. Some people say hugging 2 or 3 times can make it more better. What do you